Hi, and welcome to another episode of Simply Tech. A while ago I purchased these headphones from Liquid Ears, and given that they were a lot of trouble, I decided to get rid of them and replace them with the JBL Tune 700 headset. Now, it arrived in this package here with shameless promotion from Amazon for the Rings of Power. Let's open it up here and have a look exactly what we get. And there it is. I like the effort that JBL put into the presentation of their packages. As you can see, it's a glossy box. So I got this for $67.95 Australian, which was discounted by about 40%. You can see that they've put in quite a lot of effort in the presentation there. Now, the box itself, we'll just open that up and have a look at exactly what we get. So just slice through the little tabs holding everything together. Now on the outside, they've got a fair bit of effort in the design in terms of the presentation. On the front there, we've got a little bit of logos, and we've got the wireless pure bass and hands-free, and a bit of French on the outside. I suppose this model is sold internationally as well. Now in the main part, we get the USB to micro USB charger. It is 20 centimeters in length. Again, I don't know why they don't have a longer piece. We've also got the 3.5 to 2.5 mil wide cable in case you want to bypass the Bluetooth and save a little bit of your battery. Some packaging here to hold the headphones in place. So let's have a look at what's in this little package. On the outside, we get the quick start guide. We also get a warranty card, which is included in there, plus some specifications. And now this is the moment where my battery died, so let's pick it up again. Alright, let's try this again. So basically we've got some safety instructions in this neat little booklet. If you flip through, it just tells you what to do, what not to do, and what to do if you do need servicing. And then we've got the warranty card, which is available in about 12 different languages in here. So it's a neat little fold out. So in the quick start guide, we get at a glance information that you can reference quickly to start using the product. So what we've got in there, for example, how to connect to manual pairing, what the button commands are, what's in the box, power on and connect, simple things like that, including how to connect to multiple devices. And now to the main part here, the headphones themselves. Now, I'm impressed with the build quality of these. On the outside, we've got the embossed JBL logo. There is great articulation on the earpieces themselves, and the earpieces have very thick foam cushioning. So I've been wearing these on my head for 2-hour stretches at a time and find them very comfortable. The clamping force is also incredible. So it's very light, but sits firmly on the head. You know, you can use it sitting, you can use it going for a light jog or a brisk walk. They're not going to move off the head. The headband also has a nice thick cushion on the top there, which tends to keep it in place on your head and support the clamping force on the side ear cups themselves. On the bottom, what we've got is the power button right there. Now, once you press that, you get the pairing mode enabled and the little blue light comes on. Now, what we've also got there is the 2.5mm jack for the wired connection. And that cable itself is about 80 centimeters, but again, they could always be longer. We've got the volume up track forward button, we've got the volume down, track back button there as well. And in the middle, we've got the answer calls or switch between devices. So as I said, you can connect to 2 devices at once with these headsets. And on the top of the headset, you've got the charging port, the micro USB charging port there. So just plug the orange cable that it comes with, or if you've got another longer cable, you can use that. We'll have a look at some of the other features of these headphones, including 40mm dynamic drivers, Bluetooth version 2, 27 hours playing time. As I said, 2 hours charge time from zero. They weigh an incredible 220 grams, so very lightweight on the head. And one of the things that I like is the ability to connect to multiple devices at once. So you can connect to your phone, a laptop, or an iPad with these. Okay, so after having used these for a little while, I am impressed. The sound quality is pretty decent. Now the pure bass lives up to its name. It does add a lot of bass to tracks that might be a little bit lean in them. I tend to listen to a lot of rock, which is mid-range. It's a little bit lean on the bass, more on the mid-range and the high range. What these headphones tend to do is balance the audio. So I was impressed by that. As I mentioned before, you can wear these on your head for quite a while. They are very comfortable, and certainly I'm glad I gave the little in-ear headphones the flick. The construction is pretty decent. As I said, the articulation of the earpiece, it rotates around about 135 degrees, which is great, and up down you're getting about 60 degrees articulation there, which is more than enough to keep it in a decent position.